As a business owner, it was easy for me to make the decision to purchase the DuraVent filtration system. And in fact, when I wheeled the unit in, we had about 6 or 8 people sitting at the bar, and when they asked me what it was, and I just briefly described it, a couple of them started to clap as I was setting it up and plugging it in. And it was easy for me, and the more I got to thinking about it, it was easy for a lot of reasons. Number one, as an employer, it's one of our major responsibilities to provide a safe work environment for our staff, and so by purchasing the DuraVent, I'm able to educate the staff and make sure that they have the tools to be able to explain to the guests also, but educate them and help them feel more comfortable, because everybody's at a different level of comfort right now. When you own a small independent business, what you rely on more than anything else is synergy within your commercial corridor, right? Nobody's an island when you're a small business. You have to work together. You have to market together. You have to provide different things at each location that people can't get other places. So my perspective is I hope I can get enough people in the commercial corridor to invest in the systems as well, so that we can bring more people to Corktown.